Good evening, parents and students. Today we are going to organize English debate of class 10. Before we starting the debate, we take introduction one by one from all the students. Yes.
Myself Ashish Ranjan from standard 10th.
Myself Himanshu Kumar Singh from standard 10th.
Myself Sushma of standard 10th.
Myself Sadhya Vana from standard 10th.
I am Vaishnavi from standard 10th.
Myself Alia Mahir from standard 10th.
Okay. Before we starting this debate, I want to explain the format of this debate. तो ये डिबेट जो है वो 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड होगा. पहला एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड जिसमें 5 क्वेश्चन होंगे, 1 बाय 1 आप स्टूडेंट सारे देंगे. सेकेंड ग्रामर और थर्ड जो होगा हमारा लिटरेचर होगा. ओके, सो ओके वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आलिया महवीस. आपको रीडिंग भी करना है, रीडिंग कैपेबिलिटी भी देखा जाएगा आप लोग का. एक सेकेंड, ग्रामर आ गया. ओके, एक्सट्रैक्ट पढ़िए.
That's what they say, no one dies of hunger. All through the night, Lyncher thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. Lyncher was an ox of a man, working like an animal in the fields, but still he knew how to write. What was Lyncher's only hope? Option number A, God.
राइट.
He
सेकेंड,
knew how to write. What is the significance of this line? Means that the significance of this line is that Blanchard was a very hard-working farmer and he worked day and night on his farm. But he knew how to write. That's why he wrote to the God.
वेरी गुड, राइट आंसर. थर्ड,
Fill in the blank with one word only. Blanchard was a hard-working farmer.
हार्ड वर्क. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
Blanchard is blanks when he says, that's what they say, no one dies of hunger. Stressed. Option number B.
नॉट स्ट्रेस. कोई बता सकते हैं? यस.
Dismiss.
डिसमिसिव, पूरी तरह से समर्पित है. वो जानता है कि कोई भूखे नहीं मरे. गॉड विल हेल्प हिम. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
Select the option that correctly captures the application of the word still as used in the line of the extract.
Select the option that correctly capture the application of the word still. Sit still or you will hurt yourself. You still have time to complete the project. The still of the event are with me. You need to sit still to get a good photograph. पैराग्राफ में था ना still.
Option number B.
Option, you still have time to complete the project. Okay, right answer. Next, वैष्णवी रीड करें.
वो रिफ्लेक्शन में से लेती
थोड़ा साइड हो जी. एक सेकेंड. दिख रहा है? यहां से लिखे. चलिए पढ़िए.
And she smiled with proud and simple joy. Madame Frostier was touched and took both her hands as she replied, "Oh, my poor Matilda." Mine was false. There were no bronze over 500 francs. Select the option that does not correctly capture the meaning of the word touch as used in line 1 of the extract.
Madam Frostier was touched and took both her hands as she replied.
Angry?
Crazy, angry, feeling of sympathy, joy. Select the option that does not correctly capture the meaning of word touch as used in a line. Okay, angry, right. Second,
Complete the analogy by selecting the suitable word from the extract. Glee, joy, dash, splendid. Proud,
ग्ली एंड जॉय बोथ आर सिनोनिम्स. स्प्लेंडिड मतलब जानते हैं आप लोग? स्प्लेंडिड मीन्स शानदार. यस. ग्लोरियस. ग्लोरियस नॉट प्राउड. ओके नेक्स्ट थर्ड.
Choose the correct option on the basis of the given sentences. Madam Loisel was hated by Madam Frostier. Second, Madam Loisel had given original necklace to Madam Frostier. Option number A, only one is correct.
मैडम लॉइजेल वाज हेटेड बाय मैडम फ्रोस्टियर. मैडम लॉइजेल को हेट करती थी मैडम फ्रोस्टियर.
Neither one or two.
ओके राइट. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज राइट. नेक्स्ट.
Question number 4, what was the reason behind Matilda's plight? A, poverty, unemployment of Madam Loisel. B, Madam Loisel Fostier's necklace. Or D, dance ball.
व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड मैटिल्डा प्लाइट? उनके दुख का कारण क्या था?
Option number D.
डांस बॉल. नो. कोई बता सकते हैं? यस सूरज.
ऑप्शन ए पॉवर्टी.
पॉवर्टी नहीं. यस आशीष.
ऑप्शन नंबर सी.
ऑप्शन नंबर सी मैडम फ्रोस्टियर नेकलेस विथ सी लोस्ट. ओके व्हाई डिड मैडम फ्रोस्टियर स्टॉप शॉर्ट? मैडम फ्रोस्टियर जो थी वो क्यों अचानक रुक गई?
Because she was shocked that she has spent his 10 years of life in for bringing a
फॉर अ फॉल्स नेकलेस.
false necklace.
ओके जाइए अपने प्लेस पे जाइए. चलिए सादिया पढ़े.
But he's locked in a concentrate cell. He is strained behind bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. Why is he locked the concentrate cell? For his
कॉन्क्रीट सेल.
concrete cell, for his conversation, for his safety of the other animal, for entertainment of humans, all of these. Option number B, for the entertainment of humans.
वेरी गुड. सेकेंड.
Leslie Norris has described same of activities of a tiger behind the bars of its cage. Write them. Leslie Norris describe करते हैं the tiger behind bars of the cage that he feared the human. He hide in shadows of grass.
डिस्क्राइब द एक्टिविटी ऑफ टाइगर बिहाइंड द बार्स. बिहाइंड द बार्स एक्टिविटी बताना है.
Bars means
यानी जब वो जेल में बंद था, कैद में था, तो वो क्या करता था? इग्नोरिंग विजिटर्स.
हाँ, ignoring visitors, stalking and walking one step under control.
थर्ड.
What do the given lines tell us about his mood? He is angry, he is excited, he is helpful, he is worried.
He locked concrete his strength behind by stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitor. He is angry, he is hopeful, he is excited, he is worried. Yes, worried. Next.
Complete the analogy. Free, locked, timid. Timid means डरपोक means free. फिर डरना नहीं.
फ्री,
Strong,
लॉक दोनों एंटोनिम्स है. टिमिड मतलब क्या होता है?
डरपोक.
तो उसका एंटोनिम्स क्या होगा?
वो मतलब डरपोक नहीं था, स्ट्रॉन्ग था.
स्ट्रॉन्ग. क्या हो सकता है?
Brave.
ब्रेव, करेजियस. ओके नेक्स्ट.
By ignoring visit, what is the poet trying to say? Tiger knows that he is powerful. Tiger is not losing any hope. Tiger considers human as devoid of all feelings. Tiger hates humankind. Tiger hates humankind.
नो. यस.
ऑप्शन नंबर सी.
ऑप्शन नंबर टाइगर कंसीडर ह्यूमन इज द डिवॉइड ऑफ ऑल फीलिंग्स. यानी इंसान जो इमोशनलेस होते हैं. ओके नेक्स्ट. सूरज दिखाई दे रहा ना? पढ़े जोर से.
Kisagotami had a only son. एक मिनट. Kisagotami had an only son and he died. In her grief, She carried the dead child to all her neighbors, asking them for medicine. And the people said, she has lost her sins. The boy is dead. At length, Kisa Gotami meet a man who replied to her request. I cannot give the medicine for the child, but I know a physician who can. And the girl said, pray tell me, sir, who is it? And the man replied, go to Sakyamuni the Buddha.
Okay, first question.
First question, what was Kisa Gotami grief? Option number B, her only son had died.
Very good, right? Next.
What did a man say to Kisa Gotami for her died child? Kisa Gotami for her dead child said to her son is died, give a medicine.
चलिए आलिया बोलिए.
Kisa Gotami, when roamed around, then a man came to her and said that I can't give you medicine, but I know a physician who can. Then he addressed her for Gautam Buddha, who gave her the feeling of overcoming the sadness.
Okay, right. Third.
What do people mean when they said she has lost her sins? Kisa was unable to accept the truth. Kisa became unstable due to her grief. Kisa did not know anything about life and death.
Option.
Option number C.
Wrong. Yes, Sadia.
Option number A.
Option number A and option number B. दोनों right है. Kisa was unable to accept the truth, and second, Kisa became unstable due to her grief. Okay, 4.
Why did the man send Kisa to Buddha? He could bring her dead child to life. Only he could help Kisa. He could give her medicines for her child. He could take her to the doctor. Option number B.
He could give her medicine. No. Okay,
Option number
Vaishnavi,
A.
बोलिए.
Option number C, only he could.
Option number C, only he could help Kisa. He can tell the meaning of life and death. Okay, next. Himanshu.
A small dog was laying in the kitchen. It astride made a noise and moved its tail in the friendly way. All right, Sari. Horan said as he pushed. All he had to do keep dog quiet was the call them their right's name and show them love. Question number 1. How did he manage to handle the dog? By biting him, beating him, by calling him, by showing him love. D. Both A, B and C. Option number D.
Option number D is right.
Yes.
Next.
Dash in the passage means that same in the cordial.
Cordial. Synonyms of cordial. Unfriendly, staid, warm या friendly.
Friendly. Option number D.
Yes, right. Next.
What is the meaning of the straight?
Staid. Option पढ़े.
To move or the cause something to move silently, to stay calm, to stay fixed, to move rapidly.
Option number.
Option number A.
To move or cause something to move slightly. नहीं, to move rapidly. जब पूछ हिलाते हैं ना वो स्टेट जल्दी जल्दी कुत्ते पूछ हिलाते हो के नेक्स्ट.
What is the name of the dog mentioned in the above? The name of the dog is mentioned in the above extract is Sari.
Sari, very good. Next.
In what?
In which?
In which house is the kitchen refers to located?
किस घर में था किचन? याद है आप लोगों को?
जॉर्ज।
In which house is the kitchen referred to located? Sotover Grange. Sotover Grange था ना, जहाँ सर्वेंट जो थे वो गए थे मूवी देखने. ओके नेक्स्ट पढ़े.
There is a languid emerald sea.
Emerald Sea.
Emerald sea, where the sole inhabitant is me, a mermaid drifting blissfully. Study the following statement. Amanda dreams to be mermaid. Amanda is disturbed due to constant nagging of the speaker. Amanda is in her early teens. Option number C, all are right.
All rights to mermaid. Amanda also disturbed by nagging of the speaker. Okay, second.
Why does Amanda want to be sole inhabitant in the sea? Because Amanda is disturbed due to the nagging of her speaker.
Okay, that's why she wanted a escape. Okay, third.
Why is this stanza given within brackets? To show inner thoughts of mother, to show the contrast. Daydreaming by Amanda. Option number D, both B and C. Option number B.
Option number
B.
B. Yes, it was thought of Amanda. Next.
Complete the following analogy. Soul. Dash, defeat, loss.
डिफीट का लॉस दिया है, सिनोनिम्स है.
Alone.
एलोन, सोल मतलब अकेले, एलोन में भी अकेले. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट.
Select the sentence in which the word soul is used similarly as in line 2 of the extract. The soul of my shoe was a hole.
है जहोल.
He is the sole inheritor of that house. My sole aim was to contribute to the national team. Option number D, both B and C. Option number B.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी, सोल अकेले. ओके, यहाँ तो जूता वाला 16. ओके, नेक्स्ट हम लोग ग्रामर करेंगे. आलिया शुरू करेंगे. यस, पहला पढ़े.
Fill in the blank by choosing the correct option to complete the following sentence. I blank basketball quite well, but I have not had time to practice it since I came to Mumbai. Option number B.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी. आई प्ले बास्केटबॉल क्वाइट वेल बट आई हैव नॉट हैड टाइम टू प्रैक्टिस. मैं अच्छा खेलता हूँ लेकिन मेरे पास टाइम नहीं मिलता. ओके, राइट. नेक्स्ट.
Read the conversation between two boys. Complete the sentence by repeating the reply correctly. Speaker. May I go on the trip to Dehradun with my friend? Mother. No, your exams are coming up and you need to study. The speaker asked his or her mother if he or she could go on a trip to Dehradun. The mother replied in negative that his exams were coming and he needed to study.
So very good. Next.
Select the correct option to fill in the blanks appropriately. There, blank, something wrong with the cooker today. Option number A, there must be something
There
wrong.
must be something wrong with the cooker today. Okay, 4.
Select the option that identifies the error and supply the correction for the following line. The princely state of Jammu and Kashmir triggered the first undeclared war with Pakistan.
The princely state of Jammu and Kashmir triggered the first undeclared war with Pakistan.
Option number B,
The princely states of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, next.
blank, bracket, looked very worried for the past few days, but when I asked what the matter was, but she said that it was nothing. Option number B,
Option number C, had been looking. Very good. Next. वैष्णवी फर्स्ट दिख रहा है, सामने आ जाए. माइक ले लीजिए, थोड़ा साइड हो जाइए, क्वेश्चन देखने दीजिए. हाँ.
Fill in the blank by using the correct form of the word in the bracket for the given portion of the letter. Subject: the complaint about the fatality product. Sir/Madam, I purchased a black top from your online store. I dash the product today, and I am surprised to see that the size is smaller than the one I had ordered, and the cloth is torn on the left side. Option number B, received.
I purchased a black top from the online store. I dash the product today. ऑप्शन नंबर बी राइट है. ऑप्शन नंबर बी राइट. मैंने आज रिसीव किया है. ओके नेक्स्ट.
Report the dialogue between Jasmine and Aladdin to complete the following sentence. Jasmine, where are we going? Aladdin, Aladdin, we are going to travel around the world on my magical carpet. Jasmine asked that. Aladdin replied that they were going to travel around the world in his magical carpet.
आप लोग जानते हैं जब भी WH वाला आएगा तो क्या करते हैं? वाई वाट बताओ अजीज,
उसको वेयर ही लगा देते हैं.
बताओ क्या होगा?
जैस्मिन आस्क्ड.
सेम टू सेम रहता है.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी, वेयर दे वेयर गोइंग. ओके नेक्स्ट.
Identify the error in the given sentence and supply the correction. I study psychology and fine arts. In the fact, fine arts are my favorite subject.
I study psychology and fine art. In fact, fine arts.
R is wrong.
Yes, fine art is my favorite subject. Very good. Next.
Amit asked for some information from the shopkeeper about the bike price. Report his question. Amit said to shopkeeper, "What is the price of this bike?" Amit asked the shopkeeper,
What was
the price of that bike?
Yes, very good. Next.
Fill in the blank by choosing the correct option to complete the given statement. He went there so that he dash borrow the book.
He went there so that he dash borrow money.
Sorry, he dash borrow money. He option number B can
Possibility और past में.
might.
Yes, he went there so that he might borrow money. Okay, Sadia.
Is it true that the student from the NASA
NASA.
that's this afternoon?
Is it true that the students from the NASA dash this afternoon was arriving, are arriving, is arriving, where arriving?
Was arriving.
Was arriving. Wrong. बताइए मंसूर.
Option number D.
Is arriving.
Option D. Where arriving.
Wrong. बताइए.
Option number B.
Are arriving. Is it true that the students from the NASA are arriving? क्या ये सही है कि स्टूडेंट जो है नासा के आ रहे हैं? प्रेजेंट में ना. चलिए सेकेंड.
Choose the correct option to change the following sentence into indirect speech. My friend said to Divya, "Have you ever been to Mumbai?" Option number C.
Option C is right. Very good. Next.
Dash of the peach trees in their garden bear fruit twice a year. Option number D, some.
Very good. Next.
Select the option that identifies the error and supplies the correction for the following lines. The receptionist gave us much of the information we needed. Option number C, information.
The receptionist gave us much of the information. क्या लग रहा है? सही है, वही होगा. इंफॉर्मेशन का कोई प्लूरल नहीं होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
Complete the given narrative by filling the blanks with the correct option. They dash in an old house right now because they can't find a decent house.
They dash in an old house right now because they can't find a decent house. वो ऐसे घर में रह रहे हैं, पुराने घर में, क्योंकि अच्छा घर नहीं मिला.
They are living. Option number B.
वो पुराने घर में रह रहे हैं क्योंकि अच्छा घर नहीं मिला. ओके, जाइए. नेक्स्ट, सूरज.
क्वेश्चन 7 से कि 6 है?
यहाँ से स्टार्ट है, 6 से. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स.
सब्जेक्ट जॉब एप्लीकेशन फॉर असिस्टेंट मैनेजर. असिस्टेंट मैनेजर. सर मैम, आई राइट टू अप्लाई फॉर द पोजीशन ऑफ असिस्टेंट मैनेजर. सप्लाई चेन एट योर एस्टिमेड firm.
Esteemed firm. I dash the requested qualification and find myself suitable for the post. Possess का क्या होगा?
Possessing the request.
कौन बताएगा?
I have possessed.
I have possessed या I possessed, मेरे पास है. I have possessed सही है. चलिए 7.
Garima said to me, I am sorry, but I can't come to your birthday party. Garima told me that she was sorry, but she...
कैन का क्या होगा?
could.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. सी कुड
come to...
सी कुड नॉट.
She could not come to birthday party.
उसके नीचे पहले योर है.
Our birthday party.
हर बर्थडे पार्टी. ओके, 8.
Identify the error in the given sentence and prove the correction. At least half an hour of exercises a day did wonder for one's health.
ये तो आया भी था, आज ही आया था, करवाए.
Once का one होगा.
नहीं, कौन बताएगा? बताइए सादिया.
एक्सरसाइजेस का एक्सरसाइज.
Did का does. At least half an hour of exercise a day does wonder for one's health. Okay, next.
The teacher asked some question from the boys about the assessment report. The teacher's question. The teacher said to the boy, have you done your homework? The teacher said to boy, are you done her homework?
Are you?
You are done homework.
ये कौन बताएगा? बताइए वैष्णवी.
The teacher asked the boys if they had did their homework.
Does their homework. Okay, last.
He went there so that lit the steam.
He went there so that he dash lead the team. पास्ट में है, क्या होना चाहिए?
Might.
ओके, ही वेंट देयर, वो आ गया कि शायद वो टीम को लीड कर सके. कुड अगर पास्ट में रहता, कैन का कुड. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options to complete the sentence. They dash in an apartment right now because they cannot find a cheap house.
ये तो सेम टू सेम था अभी.
Option number B, are living.
Yes, they are living in an apartment right now. Okay, next.
Read the conversations between the complete the sentence by the reporting the conversations correctly. Silpa, can I borrow your English textbook? Jaya, sure you can. But when will you return it? Silpa asked Jaya dash. Jaya replied that she could and asked her when she would return it.
शिल्पा आस्क जया, शिल्पा के क्वेश्चन को रिपोर्ट करना है.
If she could borrow her English text.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट.
Question number 3. I want to buy a soft drink. Can you lead me dash euro? Option number A.
ए इज रॉन्ग. चलिए बताइए आशीष.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी यूरो.
और यूरो ई के साथ भले ही स्टार्ट है लेकिन प्रोनाउंस क्या करते हैं? ए यूरोपियन होता है कि एन यूरोपियन? ए यूरोपियन. चलिए नेक्स्ट.
Select the option that identify the error and supply the corrections for the correcting line. According to the tradition, Gautam Buddha set a medicines in the Bodhi tree in the Bodh Gaya.
According to tradition, Gautam Buddha sat in meditation in the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya. क्या इसमें एरर है?
Option number B.
बी इज रॉन्ग. बताइए वैष्णवी.
Option number C.
ऑप्शन नंबर सी, गौतम बुद्ध सेट इन मेडिटेशन अंडर द बोधि ट्री. पेड़ के नीचे ना कि पेड़ में बैठेंगे. चलिए नेक्स्ट.
Complete the given narrative by the fill in the blanks the correct option. No one even notice when I got home. The dash the big game on the TV.
No one even noticed when I got home. The dash the big game on TV. They होना चाहिए था. They had all been watching. They have all watched. They had all watched. या they were all watching.
They have. Option number B.
Option number B is wrong. Yes.
Option number A.
They had all been watching is wrong.
Option number D.
ऑप्शन भी वो देख रहे थे एक बिग गेम टीवी पे. They were all watching. Okay, last.
Fill in the blanks by using the correct form of the word in the bracket for giving portion of the letter. Subject: repair of the road in Cheran Nagar. Sir, I would like to bring to your notice that the people in and around Cheran Nagar dash difficulties in traveling back and forth because of the bad condition of the roads there. He says,
I would like to bring your notice that the people in your around Charan Nagar faces.
Yes.
Faced. बोलिए.
Facing.
Facing. Face कर रहे हैं ना. Okay, next.
report the dialogue between Sanjay and Madan to
Is
complete the
facing or
sentence.
facing?
Sanjay, I am surprised to see you here in Delhi. When did you come? Madan, I came here yesterday. I have been offered a job here. Sanjay told Madan that he was surprised to see him there in Delhi and asked when he had come. Madan replied that he had come there the previous day and added that he had been offered a job there.
Okay, next.
Buying a life insurance policy help to ensure your children have some security.
Buying
Help की जगह पे helps.
Buying a life insurance policy helps to insure. Okay, next. रुकिए एक सेकंड.
I shared some information with Jasmine about my father. Report Jasmine's question. Jasmine asked if my father always came home late.
Jasmine asked if my father always. बोलिए.
Report Jasmine's question. So, if his father always comes home late.
ही ना हो जाएगा. If my father थोड़ी. चलिए next.
She told me that she does English fluently and was very happy. She could speak. Option number A.
हाँ, पास्ट में was very happy. ओके. ग्रामर के बाद हम लोग लिटरेचर करेंगे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा सूरज से. सूरज क्वेश्चन पढ़े.
Why did Lencho not want the money to be sent through mail? Lencho is a farmer.
ओके.
he was मतलब वो पहाड़ के नीचे रहता था. हिंदी बोल सकते हैं?
हिंदी में कैसे बोल सकते हैं, इंग्लिश का हो रहा है तो. क्वेश्चन सिंपल है, व्हाई डिड लेंचो नॉट वांट द मनी टू बी सेंट थ्रू मेल. वो क्यों नहीं चाहता था कि पैसे मेल से ना आए, डायरेक्ट गॉड उन्हें को भेजे.
because post office
एम्प्लॉय
employee has a stolen with money.
मालूम है लेकिन बोलने नहीं आ रहा. हिमांशु आप बताओ.
Lencho did not want to money to send through email
थ्रू मेल
because
he thought
Lencho thought that the post
staff of
the post office are a bunch of crooks.
yes
They stolen her money,
his money. He demanded 100 peso but only received 17 peso. Okay, next. Himanshu.
What ideals does Nelson Mandela set for the futures of the South?
क्या उन्होंने बोला, फ्यूचर कैसा होगा साउथ अफ्रीका का, कैसा साउथ अफ्रीका वो बनाना चाहते थे.
He want to make the South Africa to without the discriminations in the white and black race and other community of different races.
Yes, he wanted to make Africa where no discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, sex, gender, race and opportunity for all. Okay, next.
What does the poet say? The boy is learning from the laws of the ball. Try to explain this in your own words. The poet knows if he gave him a dime, then there is no profit to give him because the ball has emotion with the boy, and he know if he gives the money, then the boy don't know his responsibility. For understand his responsibility, the poet say the boy is learning from the laws of the ball.
Okay, very good. Next, Alia.
Why does Maxwell say the air hostesses was the very queen of her kind? Maxwell says that air hostesses was the very queen of her kind when Miswell got out of the box and got harmed and started to roam in the whole plane. Then the air hostess captured him and band-aided him. That's why he said that she was a very queen of her kind.
Okay, next.
What reason does Mrs. Pumphrey give for overfeeding Tricky? What all was she feeding with Tricky? Mrs. Pumphrey worried that his dog was suffering from malnutrition.
Yes.
And she started feeding some wine, eggs, and brandy to enrich his blood and
Malt, Horlicks, etc.
biscuits.
Okay, next.
What happened when Harry reached the railway station?
What happened when Harry reached the railway station?
When Harry reached railway station, that he realized whose money still it is wrong, because Anil was her friend. That he learned his writing name, reading name, and many responsibility.
Okay, कौन बढ़िया से बताएगा? बताइए आलिया.
When Hari reached the railway station, then Hari realized that the trust and the bond of friendship between Anil and Hari will be broken, and Anil have made Hari to learn many new things and provided him the money to live. That's why he did not want to break the trust of Anil. That's why he placed back the money in the home.
Hari also knew that if he know how to read and write, it will be more advantageous than that money. Okay, next. Suraj.
Why was Horace arrested when he had not stolen anything?
Why was Horace arrested when he had not stolen anything? पढ़े ये चैप्टर Horace Denby. Okay, next.
Horrens are arrested when he did not stolen anything because his fingerprint left on the lockers. Then he broken it.
Because he broke it. Okay, next. Himanshu.
What is the central theme of the poem? From the Annie Gregory. The central theme of the poem for Annie Gregory is that the outer beauty is not we mention that the person is good or bad. Only God who loves us our internal beauty.
आप बताइए.
The central theme of the poem for Annie Gregory is human only love with his anyone outer appearance. He don't love with internal appearance, but only God who love with the internal appearance of anyone.
Yes, people only see external beauty rather than internal beauty. Okay, next.
What was Mr. Kissing's reaction after reading Annie's poem on the third essay that he had given to her to write? When Mr. Kissing reaction after reading Annie's poem on the third essay that he had given to her to write, then he don't become joke. He became serious and became very proud to Annie and take the poem and listen to all the classes in which he goes.
Okay, Alia.
Describe Amanda's visualization of life in a tower. Amanda was always thinking about to be alone, and she wanted to be a Rapunzel because a Rapunzel is who doesn't want anyone in her life and wants to be alone, and she can do anything of her own. That's why this is the Amanda's visualization of life in a tower.
Okay, Vaishnavi.
How does Lomov come to Chubakov's house? What for does he come and how is he received? Lomov come to Chubakov's house for the proposal of Natalia and
For marriage.
And
How is he received? कैसे उसका स्वागत होता है?
he received by warm welcome of evening and
By Chubko.
by Chubakov.
Okay, next.
According to Kisha Gautami, what is the greatest brief of life? According to Kisha Gautami, greatest brief of life is death, because she know about that what is life and death. When her son die, he take medicine for everyone. She go to Buddha's.
जितना पूछा उतने बताइए ना. According to Kisha Gautami, what is the greatest grief of life? According to Kisha Gautami, the greatest grief of life,
Death.
the loss of loved ones. या death of loved ones. Okay, next, last है. चलिए सूरज.
Why did Think Tank send his crew on Earth? Think Tank sent his crew on the Earth when come to Earth.
Because he wanted to capture the Earth. Okay, Himanshu.
Why did Bholi find fascinating about the school?
स्कूल के बाद क्या अच्छा लगा उसको?
The Bholi find fascinating about the schools. There were the many pictures of the animals who knew by her. There are the pictures of the parrot, cow, and many others.
कौन अच्छे से बताएगा? बताइए सादिया.
What did Bholi find fascinated about the school? The Bholi fascinated about school. He saw many pictures like her cows Lakshmi and her never got to or horse, parrot, many extras. He most fascinated by her teacher talking.
When her teacher encouraged her to read and write and said you also can live a normal life, then he fascinated. Okay, next.
Describe Ebrard's finding about DNA. Ebrard's finding about DNA by the hormones of the 12 tiniest spots on monarch pupa. About when he starts searching on the monarch pupa, then he finds that cells have also a blueprint that is called DNA, which transfers from heredity to heredity. Then it helps to finding about DNA.
Yes.
The blueprint of cell.
The blueprint of life.
And he says teachers are most unpredictable. Is Mr. Keesing unpredictable? Mr. Keesing was Annie's maths teacher, and of course, teachers always scold and push students to do the things that they give them benefit. So Mr. Keesing is partially unpredictable because he always gave Annie essay writing, and because Annie was so talkative in the class, that's why he just wanted to focus Annie on her class.
Okay, next.
We were brief about the hospitality offered by the people of Kur. Who was General Cariappa?
Hospitality
offered by the people of Kur is very nice. They cared visitors and provide much of goods and
they were known for their hospitality.
General Cariappa was the first general-in-chief in military.
So General Cariappa was the
First general-in-chief in military.
first general of army. Okay, military. Next. एक second.
Why does Mr. Pumphrey think the dog recovery has triumph of surgery? Mr. Pumphrey thinks that the dog recovery for triumph of surgery because he not know about that how to James Harriot take her dog and what are doing there her dog. He all time send eggs, brandy and some drinks for recovery of her dog. But
wrong है. कौन बताएगा? Yes, वैष्णवी.
Mrs. Pumphrey thinks that dog recovery is a trip of surgery because she know that the Tricky is gone for the surgery and she is unaware of that. So she thinks that it is only possible through the surgery.
Yes, Tricky was seriously ill. Okay, last question है. जो हाथ उठाएगा वो बोलेगा. Yes, Ashish.
Loiser do to replace the necklace. Firstly, he left his house and go to a cheap house, and he sent all the maids from her house, and he overdoing in his office, and also Matilda was used to do water from the ponds and etc.
Yes, she bought a new necklace of diamond of 40,000 francs. Okay, next. Max. हाँ, Bholi was never really loved by her family. Comment. Yes, Alia.
Bholi was never really loved by her family because her family always traumatized her and never gave her new clothes. She always wore clothes of her sisters, which got short over the years, and she was never got washed, and she was not tied her hairs with oil.
ओके, सो इसी के साथ आज का डिबेट हम लोग रैप अप करते हैं. थोड़ी देर बाद आपको विनर बताया जाएगा. थैंक यू.